All right, today I want to go into a little bit of a deep dive into why you should really only have one checking account linked in YNAB. My name is Lindsey. In case we haven't met before, I'm a YNAB certified coach and a certified money coach, and my goal here is to help you learn to love budgeting, especially using YNAB, and also to help you improve your money relationship by diving into some of that deeper emotional stuff. So we're going to take a dive into our account here. So we have our YNAB budget where we have two checking accounts linked. So we have our XYZ checking and our ABC checking. So we can see the money available and ready to assign is 0. All of our dollars have jobs, just like they should, right? So why does this matter? Okay, so let's say that this XYZ checking is your normal checking account. That's the one that you spend most of your money from. But every once in a while, you'll pay for something out of this ABC checking. And as we can see right now, it has $1,000 in it. So let's say, for whatever reason, you decide this month you're going to pay your mortgage from your ABC checking. If you come into YNAB like you should to find the money before you spend it, you'll see I have $1,250 right here, ready to go. No problem, right? Wrong. If, like I said, you're going to pay for that mortgage payment out of this ABC checking, this is where things get complicated. Because YNAB does not care where the money is. So it looks like you have $1,250, which you do across both of your accounts. But if you're paying for it from this ABC checking, you do not have that much money there. So this is where you have to be really careful of, is the money in the correct account? So again, you can come into your budget and look and say, yes, I have that much, but is it where it needs to be? That really just adds a layer of complexity to your budgeting, which you honestly don't really need, especially when you're starting out. I really recommend to just link your main checking account, and that's it. If you have a savings account, don't even worry about it. Don't link it at this point. Maybe you can think about doing it in the future, but at this point, it's easy enough. It's easiest to just have everything in one account so that you know if you come into YNAB and you see I have $1,250 to pay my mortgage, you can just easily go pay your mortgage and not have to pause and think, is that money in the right checking account, right? We don't need anything more to complicate our budgeting situation when it can be hard enough to budget as it is. So again, I advise you just keep one checking account linked in your YNAB to keep your life simple. Promise it'll totally be worth it. All right, thanks so much for watching. So if this was helpful, I'd love to invite you to join my community on School. That's where we dive into a lot of this stuff and we work together. We are there, we are a supportive community, shame-free, and I would love to see you inside. I'll leave the link in the description. Again, thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time.